Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a problem on a conical pendulum. And here is the problem. A 2 kg mass swings in a horizontal circle at the end of a cord of length 10 meters. What is the constant speed of the mass if the rope makes an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical? Solution. So the first step we sketch this is the mass, this is the radius of the horizontal circle. Radius of the horizontal circle. Inside the circle, H, the chord, this is the length of the chord, L, this is the tension in that chord, T, makes an angle with the vertical, this is the vertical H, and then angle is theta is equal to 30 degrees as from the question. Remember the formula for the pendulum. Tan theta is given by v squared over gr. So you have to find v. But remember to use this formula. Yeah, you have theta 30, g is obvious, 9.8 meters per second square, but we don't have the value of r, so we cannot solve or find the value of two unknowns given one expression like this. So we need to find r. This the radius r, and from this sketch or diagram, have theta, have L, so can see it's a kind of right angle triangle, so we can use the Pesokatoa, where I use sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is r, then hypotenuse is the length of the chord L, and theta is 30 degrees. So sine theta is given by opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30, what's the opposite? Opposite is r over the hypotenuse L. From the question we are given, it is 10 meters over 10, so that r is equals to 10 times sine theta, sine 30. This is the same as 10 meters times 0.5, since sine 30 is 0.5, so our r is 5 meters. Are we there? So up to this point we can find V for theta is 30 degrees, R theta is 30 degrees, R is 5 meters. I found that G is 9.8 meters per second square. So solving for V, tan theta is equals to V squared over GR. To make V the subject of the formula, we multiply both sides by GR so that to get rid of this. So we get V squared is equals to GR tan theta, our V is equals to GR tan theta the square root. After reaching this point, we just substitute the values so that we have 9.8 meters per second square. Our R is 5 meters, then tan 30 degrees. The whole of this under square root, and our V for theta is equal to 30 degrees is 5.32 meters per second. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and click a bell notification so that the moment I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.